In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate CINEWARE in After Effects using Cinema 4D or Cinema 4D Lite. CINEWARE is the built-in bridge that lets After Effects interpret and render Cinema 4D scenes directly inside a composition. Before anything else, make sure a version of Max in Cinema 4D is installed on your system. This can be the full version or Cinema 4D Lite, which is bundled with After Effects. If you're using Lite, you may be prompted to sign into a Maxon account the first time it launches. That sign-in is required for it to function correctly. Once you've confirmed Cinema 4D is available, the quickest way to activate CINEWARE is to create a new Cinema 4D scene from within After Effects. Go to the File menu, choose New, then select Max in Cinema 4D file. You'll be asked to save the file. As soon as you do, After Effects adds a new layer to your composition with the CINEWARE effect already applied. At the same time, Cinema 4D or Cinema 4D Lite opens with a blank scene. Any changes you make and save in Cinema 4D will update in After Effects through the CINEWARE effect on that layer. If you see a prompt to sign in when Lite launches, complete that sign-in so the scene opens and links properly. If you already have a Cinema 4D project you want to use, you can activate CINEWARE by importing it. In After Effects, import the C4D file like any other media. Drag it from the project panel into a composition. The moment it lands on the timeline, After Effects applies the CINEWARE effect to that layer automatically. From there, you can open the Cinema 4D file to make edits and save, and your After Effects comp will reflect those changes via CINEWARE. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. If the command to create a new Max in Cinema 4D file isn't visible, double-check that After Effects is updated and that Cinema 4D Lite is properly installed. If a layer appears black or low resolution at first, give it a moment to cache. And remember, you can adjust quality and render options in the CINEWARE effect once the layer is selected. And if Lite won't launch or asks for permissions, completing the Maxon sign-in usually resolves it. That's all it takes. Ensure Cinema 4D or Lite is installed, then either create a new Cinema 4D file from After Effects or import an existing one, and CINEWARE handles the connection for you.